Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you a 1971 Chevy Monte Carlo, come out of a collection over here in Minnesota. I bought two from him, a 70 and a 71. This one had new paint this year. Looks pretty good there. You can see original molding, got a little scrape on it. Not many flaws to show you on the body because it's just, they did a pretty good job. They did tape off there. Just some slight overspray there. I'd say probably original interior. Everything looks good. This thing runs like top. Matching numbers 350. Up there's a dash pad. Not dash pad, armrest. It's got a little bit of a, so they didn't take these off. You can see a little overspray there and right there. But it does have a good shine. You're gonna find that's the imperfections you're gonna see is maybe a little tape off. Issues here and there, but nice shine, nice straight car. I didn't see any rust on it, so great driver quality Monte Carlo. I believe it's been sitting for a while because he did sell like 8 or 9 cars out of his collection. So sorry about the dirty wheel. We got construction going on here. Just washed it and then I drove through it and got it dirty. So nice car, runs, drives great. Numbers matching 350. We're gonna start up our 71 Monte Carlo. Runs like a watch. Blower fan working. We'll see if the air works. Still R12. So. Oh, there the radio turns on. Yeah. Still works. Fuel gauge appears to work. A little over E. Here's your left and right. Horn works. Wipers work. And we'll show you the lights. See the dome light. Yeah, dome light works. So everything seems to work on it. Nice car. Air is cycling. Runs like a watch. Headlights work. Looks like a new alternator not that long ago. So if you're looking for a nice Monte Carlo that runs and drives great and looks good, this one will probably fit the bill. We're out driving our 71 Monte Carlo. Goes down the road super nice. Cruising a little over 50. Clock even works on this car. See that clock going around. Fuel gauge, just lights for the rest of the gauges. The air is still R12. Will need to be converted to 134 or find some R12 to get it to blow cold. Nice driving car. These Monte Carlos were smooth drivers, that's for sure. Power steering, power brakes, AC, numbers matching 350, so a nice combination. New paint on it this year, looks good. You can see it's got a good shine to it. Factory color. So if you're looking for a nice original Monte Carlo, this will definitely fit the bill. That's in good shape. This car is nice enough to show, I would say, easily. So. Or just drive it to cruise nights and have some fun with it because it does drive really nice and looks good. So if you're looking for 71 Monte Carlo, give us a call, 605-695-7391.